Hello guys, welcome to Caleb's Kitchen. Today, I'll make pork tacos. It is a very simple recipe and it is very well balanced. Here are the ingredients for the pork tacos. 2 whole bell peppers, you can get any color, it doesn't matter. 2 pounds medium ground pork, some lettuce, taco shells depending on the amount of tacos you can want. You can change the amount of ingredients according to your choice. Some cheese, some taco spices for the meat that I have over there, some garlic and onion meats, and all of these ingredients you can get at your local supermarket. Here are the directions for the ground pork tacos. So, I'm going to take the taco shells, which have to be heated up at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll open up the oven, and right now the oven's not hot, so I'll just put it in. And then I'll turn the oven on at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And let your tacos heat up. And while the tacos are heating up, I'll prepare all the ingredients for the inside of the taco. So, my frying pan has been heating up for a while now. It's hot. So I'm going to get my onions and garlic and I'll put them in the frying pan. And we have to get these onions and garlic to caramelize. And turn down the heat of it as it's too hot. And we keep on mixing and let them cook for a while. I'll come back on camera and we'll put the meat in. And the other vegetables. So now I'm going to add the meat into the onions. And be very careful when you're adding the meat because the oil might spatter. Now break the meat up. And cook the meat until it's brown. Then I'll add the taco seasoning a bit. So now my taco shells have been heating for a while. I'm going to turn off the oven. And I'm going to come back on camera and put the taco seasoning in the meat. So now, the meat looks like it's cooked. But if you look properly, it's pink, which is not a good sign. And pork is a type of meat that you have to cook very well or else you can get food poisoning. But right now, I can put the taco seasoning. So hit it a bit, make sure the seasoning is all the way at the bottom, and then open it up. And it's a bit like chili, like there's a little bit of chili in it, so be careful not to get it on your hands, and don't touch your eyes. Okay, everything's out, I'll put it in the garbage. And now I have to mix. That's starting to look pretty good. The capsicum is the last thing you put in the taco mixture. So now I'm going to put it. And you only have to cook this for a little while or else it's going to become tasting weird. So you put it and then mix it. And this is the last thing. You don't have to cook the lettuce or else it will disappear. So now, the capsicum has been cooking for a little while, and as you can see, it shrinked a little bit too. So now it's done. So I'm just going to leave it here. I'm going to turn it off, let it cool down a little bit, and now I have to take out the taco shells from the oven. Be prepared, it might be a little bit hot. And now we bring it over here, and we put it on the mats. Let it cool down, let the mixture cool down, and now we just wait. Going on to the taco making process. We're going to fill the tacos now, and we're going to get some of the lettuce and put it in the taco. You can put any amount depending on how much you want. Now you get the filling. Plate a little bit closer. If you can see it drop once or twice, I don't have a taco holder, so it's pretty hard for me because it gets hot. But you should buy one too because it's way easier to make the tacos. I'm going to get some of this, taco cheese. Sprinkle it on top. And the last thing I'll do is just put it down a little bit. I'll get my hoisin sauce. You're actually supposed to put chipotle sauce, but I ran out of that. But you can use it if you want, if you have it. So now I'm going to put some of it on top of the cheese. I'm gonna make one more taco, and then you guys can fill up the rest at home. Okay, so now we'll get some of this taco meat and taco filling, whatever you want to call it. Now I get some of the cheese. I really miss my chipotle sauce. So now I'm gonna put this hoisin sauce. It's like sweet type of sauce, if you guys never heard of it before. So now my 2 tacos are made. Now we're gonna go on to the taste test. Here is the taste test. These tacos look so good so far. Can't wait to try it. How am I gonna eat this? Okay, I'll go from this side. I'm gonna take some of my orange juice. Wow, so good. This is the best Mexican taco I ever had. No wonder people like it so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye! Please subscribe for more episodes.